I'm going to show you two methods, one with the step drill bit and one with the normal metal drill. First we're gonna try this one. And I took a drill that's just a slight bigger than the hole. Almost the same, just one size bigger. And what we do then, and it's out. And the second method, step drill. And it's out. So we're gonna do that again. First take this one off. And the same is for the Rivet nut. Then we use the bigger step drill. You also have seen this in my other videos, of course. I hope. And these are a little harder to remove, but you can do it the same way with the step drill. There it is.